Every community has that one home that you wish would hit the market, and this is one of them. Completed in 2023 as one of the largest layouts in Alton, with beautiful upgraded interiors and a floor plan that makes everyday living easy. And when you pair all of this with everything Alton has to offer, it's easy to see why these homes don't come up often.